everybody. Welcome to a rainbow world. The Elves and the Shoemaker. Once upon a time, there was a poor shoemaker and his wife. "This is all the leather I have left," said the poor shoemaker. "I can just make one pair of shoes." Look at the wife and the shoemaker. They're sad.
Yeah.
One is like this and one is like this.
Okay.
They're both different mouths.
That's the last piece of leather they have.
Yeah.
And you can see the tools that they're going to use to make the shoes.
Yeah,
right?
look, this,
Yes, that
this,
thing and the
this,
thread,
this.
etc. Okay, let's see what's
Okay.
happened next.
That night, the shoemaker cut the leather. "I'll make these shoes in the morning," he said. He left the leather in the shop and went to bed.
Okay.
The next morning, the shoemaker came downstairs. To his surprise, the leather had been made into a pair of beautiful shoes. Oh my gosh.
I love those shoes.
He's smiling.
Yeah.
His wife is baking.
She's speaking. I see her. All right.
The shoemaker called his wife. "Did you make these shoes?" "No," said his wife. "I didn't make those shoes." So who made these
Who
shoes?
made them? Maybe the cat made the shoes.
No. We can find out.
We'll find out. Okay.
Look at the cat.
The cat is looking too.
Just then, a rich lady came into the shop. She picked up the shoes. "These are the most beautiful shoes I have ever seen," she said. She gave the shoemaker 3 gold coins.
Wow, can I see her face? I want to see that smile. She's very happy.
Look at her lipstick.
She's very happy. Let's see how many coins those are.
1, 2, 3.
Awesome.
And it's a 3.
All right, 3
Free.
gold coins. Okay.
With the money, the shoemaker bought some more leather. That night, the shoemaker cut out 2 pairs of shoes. He left the leather on the table and went to bed.
And on this page, he went to the shop to buy leather. And on that page, it shows when he's home in the shop cutting the leather.
And the cat is sleeping.
The cat is there with him.
I love the cat.
Yeah.
Meow,
Looks so
meow.
peaceful.
In the morning, there were 2 pairs of shoes on the table. The shoemaker called his wife. "Did you make these shoes?" "No," said his wife. "I didn't make those shoes."
Wow.
So the shoemaker called his wife again.
Wow.
And then again and again.
I wonder who is making those shoes for them. I love those shoes. I love the brown and pink shoes. That one is my favorite. Those are very cute shoes.
I love both of them. I love
Oh,
all of the shoes that
awesome.
somebody made. That very morning, a rich man came into the shop. "What beautiful shoes," said the man. "I must have them. I will pay you 6 gold coins."
6?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 gold coins. Wow.
Those are a lot of coins.
Those are a lot of coins. And you can see, look on the faces of the shoemaker and his wife. They're very happy.
And look at
The rich
his
man is
face.
pleased. And you can see some customers looking through the window from outside. Do you see them? And the cat is there too. Awesome. Let's see what happens next, Anna.
The shoemaker bought some more leather. "Now I can make 3 pairs of
3
shoes,"
pairs.
he said.
Mm-hmm.
He worked late into the night cutting the leather.
Leather.
Then he went to bed.
Okay.
Look at the cat.
The cat is always there with him. Cat is good company. What sound does the cat say?
Meow.
All right.
The next morning, the shoemaker came downstairs. On the table there were 3 pair of shoes, of beautiful shoes.
Let me see them.
Look.
Wow, look on the face of the shoemaker.
Oh my gosh.
Is he sad?
Surprise.
He is very, very surprised.
Look at his mouth. He looks like he has lipstick.
Like he's saying, wow. He can't believe it. Let me see those shoes. Wow.
1, 2, 3.
3 pairs. What colors?
Purple, red, and brown, and blue, green, white.
And white,
Oh
okay.
my gosh. Look at the shoemaker's knife.
He's very surprised. And look at that cat in the background. Did you see the cat chasing the rat?
Yes?
Yeah.
Look
that
at the
cat
rat.
is busy. Yeah. All right, Anna. Let's see what happens next.
The shoemaker called his wife. We must find out who is making these beautiful shoes for us, said the shoemaker.
Yeah, I want to know too. Well, wow.
I don't
Look
know.
at that rat. He's jumping up the clock like hickory dickory dock. The mouse went up the clock.
I see some.
You see?
Can you see them?
I see his feet. I see his feet. The cat is watching him. Poor cat can't
Look
see
at
the
their
rat.
slippers. I like it.
They're pretty.
The next night, the shoemaker worked very hard. He cut the leather for 4 pair of shoes.
Wow.
But this time, the shoemaker and his wife hid in the shop
Why did they do that, Anna?
because they want to see who's making these the beautiful shoes. for
Beautiful
them.
shoes.
Even the
okay.
cat is doing that.
Yeah. All right. I want to find out too. Okay.
At midnight, the door of the shop opened, and in came 2 little elves dressed in rags. I like the elves. They jumped up onto the table and opened their little green bags.
Can I see them? Show us the elves, Anna.
1, 2,
2 little elves. Where are their bags?
here and here.
Oh, I see them.
They can't reach the table, so
They're
they use
so
this,
tiny.
this, and this.
Yeah, they have to step onto the thread. You see the wheels of thread? They're so tiny. Okay. All right.
Next page, the elves stitched and
Sewed. It's pronounced sewed.
sewed and hammered all night.
Wow.
By morning,
Mhm.
they had made 4
4?
pair of shoes.
Wow, that's a lot.
Then they picked up their bags and ran out of the shop.
Wow. Let me see them. Oh, that is showing them
Do you
hard
see
at
their
work.
toes?
I see their little toes.
Because they don't have
Yeah. All right. Now we know who have been making the shoes, right?
Yes.
All right.
The shoemaker said to his wife, the elves had helped us, but how can we help them?
Yeah.
I know what we can do, said his wife.
Okay.
Look
Can
at
we
the
look
wife.
at those beautiful shoes?
Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4,
4 pairs. Awesome.
and then next
All right. So
5.
the elves, Anna, have been very kind to the shoemaker and his wife, haven't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Page. The shoemaker and his wife worked very hard. They made 2 pair of little green shoes, some little green clothes, and 2 little green hats.
That's so cute. Look at those clothes. They're so tiny, mini.
Now they're making the hat.
Can we look at them?
Yes.
Those are the jackets and the pants. Wow, they're really tiny. Mm-hmm.
That night they left the little green shoes, hats, and clothes in the shop.
Yeah.
Then they hid again. Look.
Wow, let me see those clothes.
Yes.
Wow.
Here you go.
I think the elves are going to love them, don't you?
Yes, I
Yes,
do.
they're so cute.
I like the socks.
You like the socks? I love
And
them.
I like the shoes.
Yeah, I love them too. And the hats, those are extra cute. Wow. Let's hear what they're saying.
At midnight, the door of the shop opened and the elves came in. When they saw the little green shoes, little green clothes, and little green hats.
Mm-hmm.
They were very surprised. They put them on at once.
Wow.
Look,
Yeah, they look very happy and pleased. Wow. And the clothes fit them real nicely.
yes.
Yeah.
The little elves went on helping the shoemaker and his wife to make beautiful shoes. And the shoemaker and his wife made more clothes for the little elves.
That's so cute. So the elves are very kind to the shoemaker and his wife, and likewise the shoemaker and his wife are very kind to the elves. Oh,
Look, the cat. I didn't mark the cat on this page.
I see that.
I only marked the shoes
I see.
and the shoemaker and his wife,
I see.
not the clothes.
And you were trying to give the shoemaker's wife a mustache. No, weren't you? That looks like a mustache on the shoemaker's wife. All right, and our next page.
And the shoemaker and his wife and the two little elves lived happily ever after.
Wow.
Look at the elves
The elves are there
inside their house.
Mm-hmm. Right. So they continue to help each other, and a lot of people start coming to the shoemaker shop, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
How much do you remember about the story of the elves and the shoemaker?
Mm-hmm.
Answer these questions and find out.
Okay.
How much money does the rich lady pay for the beautiful shoes?
Do you remember?
3.
3 gold coins.
How much money does the rich man pay for the shoes?
Mm-hmm.
6.
6. That's correct. What time?
Does the elf come into the shop?
Do you remember?
Midnight.
That's correct.
What material does the shoemaker buy to make these shoes?
Mhm.
Leather.
Leather. That's correct.
What does the shoemaker's wife make for the elves?
What?
Clothes.
Yes, some beautiful, cute little clothes.
Look at the different story sentence and match them to the people who said that.
Okay, go ahead.
This is all the lever I have left.
Who said that?
I remember this one.
Mm-hmm. That was the shoemaker. Mm-hmm.
These are the beautiful shoes I have. These are the most beautiful shoes I have ever seen.
Mm-hmm. Who said that?
This one?
That beautiful lady. That's correct. That rich lady. Mhm.
No, I didn't make those shoes.
Who said that?
Mm.
Oh, that was a wife. That's correct. Mm-hmm.
I will pay you 6 gold coins.
Mm-hmm.
And look.
Correct.
Look at the books. I'm gonna have fun. So that's the end of the story of the elf and the shoemaker. I hope you like my story, boys and girls. Thank you for watching. Say bye. Bye.
Like, subscribe,
Like, subscribe, and
and share.